Hi, my name is Peter Lindberg. I work as a production manager at Ole, and I've been at Ole for 4 years now. I started as a product developer for the R&D team. And when I got to Ole, the project right then was the new Q-series loader. And there was a lot of design work, a lot of testing for those years. And after that project sort of slowed down, I started looking for new adventures. So a job opening had just opened up for production manager, and I went for it and I got it. So right now I'm a production manager for the assembly line at the Brennan facility. And my responsibilities are development and budget and output of the assembly line. And I'm also responsible for the work environment, the safety, and the personnel, of course. A big project for this year is we're building a new hydraulic test cell. The building process is ongoing right now, and when it's finished we will see a significant increase in both quality and production output. Working at Ole is, in my experience, summarized by working on your own responsibility, flexibility, high pace, and a customer focus. And when you're working at Ole, you always get help from your colleagues, and it's easy to work cross-section between different sections like R&D, production, or purchasing, so to speak. You're never really alone at all, and that's the great thing I find about it.